DevOps uses what organizations already have. All that it adds is collaboration, integration, and facilitation to a common goal to all contributors to business value creation. The DevOps Handbook says, imagine a world where product owners, development, QA, IT operations, and InfoSec work together not only to help each other, but also to ensure that the overall organization succeeds. By working towards a common goal, they enable the fast flow of planned work into production while achieving world-class stability, reliability, availability, and security. There are multiple stakeholders: development, InfoSec, IT operations, product, and QA. They all share a common goal. It's useful to note the concepts of fast flow and planned work, as these show how DevOps can increase both production and quality. Keep in mind that the DevOps Handbook is one source of information about DevOps, but is not the sole or official source.